Hey there everyone, Tharun here. So in this video we will be talking about Object.create. Now what is this Object.create? Using this Object.create you can create objects, okay, and it also allows you to create the objects without having to use the constructor function which we saw in the previous video. So let's quickly jump into it and I'll show you how you can create one. So for example, first let's have one const occupation, okay, occupation, and it can have the type of occupation. Okay, let's have type, and that can be say for default type can be say none. Okay, none string, not the none thing. Okay, type none. Then what we can do is we can have a display type which shows display the type of occupation. Okay, we can have display type and it can be a function. Okay, and that function can just console.log this dot type. Okay, now we have this ready here. Okay, now what do we do? How do we use Object.create? Say for example we want an occupation for say police, not this, okay, police, and this, sorry, not that, here, okay, police. Now how do we create an object? So to create the object we'll be using let police equals to Object.create occupation. Okay, we have that. Now by default you won't have that type of police and all. So how will you do that? To do that we'll be assigning the role. So for that what we will be doing is police dot type equals to police. Okay, where is police type equals to police. Save it. Okay, that is done. Now how do we display it? To display it we'll be doing police dot display type. It's done. So quickly let's do it for another one so that you can see the differences. So police, second one is developer create occupation, and type is developer. Here also you have developer, and this need not be the same, of course it's a string, so you can be web developer. Okay, web developer, and here developer. Save it. Now let's run it here, and we will be doing cd js node js, what was our file, 15 js 15. So the first one said police and the second one said web developer, and if you remember those are the outputs of this thing, display type. So that is how you create objects using Object.create without using any of the constructor functions. Now in the next video I'll be showing you how to use Object.assign. Okay, that is also useful. You can use it in the projects. I've used them personally in many projects. So see you there in the next video. If you have any doubt here, please let me know. I'm happy to help. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.